Tired of coming home to a cold kitchen after a long day when you could be walking into the mouth-watering aroma of a perfectly cooked meal? Today, we are ending dinnertime dread by finding the absolute best slow cooker to revolutionize your weeknights. Stick around for our number one pick, because it completely changed the way I look at hands-off cooking, and it might just save your family dinners. 7. Cook with Color 2 Qt Mini Electric Round Slow Cooker. Right out of the box, this little appliance definitely catches the eye with its vibrant color options and compact footprint. I was initially drawn to it for making small batches of dips, appetizers, or single-serving meals, thinking it would be the perfect companion for a studio apartment or a dorm room. The 2-quart capacity is undeniably small, but for a solo eater or for keeping queso warm during a game day party, it seemed like it had a clear, specific purpose. During my testing, I started with a simple batch of meatballs and marinara sauce to see how well it maintained a steady, low heat. The interface is as basic as it gets, featuring a standard manual dial with low, high, and warm settings. While I appreciate simplicity, I immediately noticed that the dial felt a bit flimsy in my hands, lacking that satisfying click that tells you it has securely locked into place. Still, I set it to low and walked away, hoping for an evenly heated appetizer. Unfortunately, my experience with the temperature regulation was less than stellar. I found that even on a low setting, this mini cooker runs aggressively hot. After just a couple of hours, my marinara sauce was bubbling fiercely around the edges and beginning to scorch at the bottom of the stoneware insert. This lack of precise temperature control makes it incredibly difficult to truly slow cook anything delicate, forcing you to babysit an appliance that is inherently designed to be left alone. The physical build of the cooker also left me wanting more. The ceramic insert is removable for cleaning, which is standard, but the glass lid doesn't sit entirely flush against the rim. 6. Bella's 6.0 Qt Programmable Slow Cooker. This model promises a step up in technology and capacity, offering a spacious 6-quart stoneware pot that is more than capable of handling a large family roast or a hefty batch of chili. I was excited to test out the programmable features, as having a digital timer that automatically shifts to a warming setting is usually a game changer for those of us who work long hours away from the kitchen. The digital control panel is straightforward, allowing you to select your cooking time in 30-minute increments. I loaded it up with a classic pulled pork shoulder recipe, set the timer for 8 hours on low, and anticipated coming home to fork tender meat. The stoneware insert is substantial and retains heat nicely, and the locking lid with a silicone gasket is a nice touch, designed specifically to prevent spills if you need to transport the cooker to a potluck or party. However, the programmable brain of this machine proved to be highly unpredictable during my testing. On 2 separate occasions, the digital display completely reset itself mid-cycle. I walked into the kitchen to find the screen flashing and the cooker sitting at room temperature, having seemingly lost power or glitched out despite being securely plugged into a working outlet. This reliability issue is a massive red flag, as the entire appeal of a programmable cooker is trusting it to do the job while you're not looking. Beyond the electronic hiccups, the exterior of the Bella cooker gets alarmingly hot to the touch. While most slow cookers will generate some exterior heat, the thin metal casing on this unit felt downright dangerous after a few hours on the high setting. 5. Crock-Pot 7-quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. There's a reason the brand name is synonymous with the appliance itself, and pulling this hefty stainless steel unit out of the box felt like greeting an old friend. The 7-quart capacity is massive, easily accommodating a 7-pound roast or enough soup to feed a small army, making it a staple for large families or meal preppers. I decided to test this workhorse with a massive batch of bone broth, a process that requires a steady, unwavering low simmer for up to 24 hours. Because it is a manual cooker, there are no digital timers or fancy screens here, just a heavy-duty rotary dial with off, low, high, and warm settings. I love the tactical feel of this dial. It locks into place with a reassuring click, and you never have to worry about a computer chip failing on you mid-cook. The heat distribution on this classic crock-pot is phenomenally consistent. Throughout the 24-hour broth test, the liquid maintained a perfect, gentle simmer without ever breaking into a rolling boil. The thick, heavy stoneware insert does an exceptional job of absorbing and radiating heat evenly from the wraparound heating elements, ensuring that whatever you put inside cooks uniformly from the edges to the center. Cleanup is also a breeze with this unit. Both the stoneware pot and the glass lid are fully dishwasher safe, and because the heat is so well regulated, I never experienced any stubborn, burnt-on food stuck to the bottom or sides of the crock. The oval shape is also a major advantage over round cookers, as it perfectly accommodates the shape of whole chickens, racks of ribs, or large cuts of brisket without requiring you to chop them up to make them fit. 4. Elite Gourmet MST 900D. This model struck me as a fantastic middle ground, offering premium programmable features without the premium price tag. Its stainless steel exterior gives it a sleek, modern look that blends seamlessly into any kitchen aesthetic, and its massive 8.5 quart capacity makes it the largest dedicated slow cooker on our list today. I immediately put that massive capacity to the test by tackling a colossal batch of Texas-style chili. The digital interface is brilliantly intuitive, featuring a clear LCD display that lets you easily program the cooking time anywhere from 30 minutes up to 20 hours. This extended timer range is fantastic for recipes that require incredibly long, slow braises, and knowing the machine will flawlessly transition to a keep warm setting once the timer hits 0 brings immense peace of mind. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet during my testing was how well the lid fits. The tempered glass lid is bordered by a robust stainless steel rim that sits perfectly snug against the massive stoneware pot. This tight seal locks in moisture beautifully. After 8 hours of cooking my chili, the liquid level had barely dropped, and the flavors were intensely concentrated because no steam was allowed to needlessly escape. The cooking performance was remarkably even for such a large vessel. Often, with cookers exceeding 8 quarts, you will find cold spots in the very center, but the heating elements in the Elite Gourmet wrap sufficiently around the base to heat the entire pot uniformly. The resulting chili had incredibly tender meat and perfectly cooked beans, with 0 scorching at the bottom edge where the heating element is closest. 3. GreenLife 6 Qt Slow Cooker. This machine is a breath of fresh air in the slow cooking space, primarily because it completely ditches the traditional heavy ceramic stoneware insert in favor of a much lighter ceramic non-stick coated aluminum pot. When I unboxed it, I was genuinely shocked by how lightweight the internal pot was. You can easily lift it with one hand, even when it is fully loaded with ingredients. The biggest advantage of this GreenLife model, and what I tested first, is the fact that the internal pot is stovetop safe. Traditional slow cooking often requires you to dirty a separate frying pan to sear your meats before transferring them to the crock. With the GreenLife, I placed the insert directly onto my gas stove, aggressively seared a chuck roast to build a beautiful crust, and then simply moved the pot right back into the heating base to finish slow cooking. It is a brilliant one-pot solution that saves incredible time and effort. The non-stick coating on this pot is also entirely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, which is a massive selling point for health-conscious cooks. I tested a sticky, sugary teriyaki chicken recipe just to see how well the non-stick surface performed. After hours of bubbling away, the caramelized sauce wiped away effortlessly with just a damp sponge. You almost don't even need to put it in the dishwasher, though it is perfectly safe to do so. The digital control panel is vibrant, easy to read, and operates flawlessly. It offers standard low and high settings, along with a delay timer, which gives you even more control over exactly when your meal begins cooking. 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. While it is primarily known as a pressure cooker, It features a dedicated slow cook function, and I wanted to see if this multi-cooker could truly replace a standalone slow cooker. The answer is a resounding yes. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for everyday meals, and the sheer versatility of this machine makes it one of the most valuable pieces of real estate on your kitchen counter. During my testing, I utilized the slow cook function for a classic beef stew. Unlike traditional ceramic pots, the Instant Pot uses a stainless steel inner pot. This means you can use the built-in sauté function to sear your beef and soften your onions right in the machine before adding your liquids and switching over to the slow cook mode. Keeping all those rich, brown bits in the exact same pot elevates the final flavor profile of the stew immensely. The temperature control on the Instant Pot's slow cook setting is incredibly precise. Because the lid locks into place and seals completely, absolutely no moisture escapes during the slow cooking process. My beef stew came out incredibly tender, and the broth was rich and perfectly reduced. You can choose between less, normal, and more temperature settings on the slow cook function, effectively mirroring the warm, low, and high settings of a traditional cooker, but with computer-controlled accuracy. Beyond just slow cooking, the fact that you also get a world-class pressure cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and yogurt maker all in the same footprint is astonishing. On days when I forgot to prep my slow cooker ingredients in the morning, the Instant Pot saved dinner by allowing me to pressure cook a frozen roast in under an hour. 1. Instant Pot Pro 8QD1 Pressure Cooker. This is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the kitchen. While the Duo is fantastic, the Pro series takes every single feature and elevates it to a professional standard. With its massive 8-quart capacity, sleek black finish, and incredibly advanced interface, it is designed for serious home cooks who demand the absolute best performance from their appliances. I put the Pro through a rigorous test by slow cooking a massive rack of short ribs. The first thing that sets the Pro apart is its upgraded inner pot. It features a completely flat bottom with easy grip silicone handles, and crucially, it is rated for use on standard electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops, as well as in the oven up to 450 degrees. I was able to sear the ribs perfectly flat on my induction burner, lock the pot into the base, and initiate the slow cook sequence. The digital display on the Pro is a massive leap forward. It features a beautiful, bright screen with a cooking progress bar that tells you exactly where you are in the cooking cycle, from preheating to cooking to keeping warm. The slow cook function on the Pro is noticeably superior to older multi-cookers, offering true custom temperature settings that mirror exactly what you would get from a premium standalone slow cooker, ensuring delicate proteins never dry out and simmer at the perfect level. One of my favorite additions to the Pro model is the upgraded steam release switch. Unlike the older valves that you have to nervously flick with a wooden spoon, the Pro features a gentle, diffuse steam release mechanism covered by a protective shield. Even though we are focusing on its slow cooking capabilities today, having the absolute safest and quietest pressure release system available is a massive bonus when you decide to use its other rapid cooking features.